Hey guys, I will show you how to change wipers on Audi A6 2016. You should decide whether you want to change them in this position or you want to move them up. Turn on ignition, so press start button without stepping on the brake and go into the car. And now systems, go into servicings and checks, wiper change position and turn it to on. Now the wipers came all the way up, so it's a bit easier to access them. To take them off, you need to press this button. Press this button in and then push the whole thing out. Just like that. Very simple, very easy stuff. Just like that. So off with the old ones and in with the new. Only thing you need to know is that one of these two guys is longer, so the longer one goes to the driver's side. Just place them inside here. Gently push the whole thing in. Just like that. Very simple. The passenger side, remember this is the shorter one, until it clicks, and that's it. That's how you change wipers on Audi A6 2016. Thanks for watching guys, and see you next time.